Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this fruitcake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in your butter followed by the sugar and the black treacle, and mix these all together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This will take time depending on the climate that you're in. If you're in a warmer environment, it will take less time, so just keep that in mind when you're mixing this. You are looking for it to be lighter and fluffier. Then you can go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, being careful to not add the eggs too quickly as you may split or curdle the mixture, and that's not what you want to do. So add them one at a time, beating well in between each addition, and you should have a mixture that looks good. Then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So keep that in mind and just really get those bits that may not have been fully worked in. Like you can see, I had some black treacle, but don't worry, it's perfectly fine. It does incorporate a little later on. Then you can go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, followed by your the flour, salt and the spices, and just mix these in until they are almost fully incorporated. Then you can go ahead and add in the fruit. I've soaked mine in some alcohol, but feel free to soak yours in tea or just add in the dried fruit. Then add in the cherries and fold these in until they are fairly distributed throughout the cake batter. It doesn't take very long, and you do not want to over mix this, so make sure you're not doing too much. Then you can transfer into a 8-inch baking pan, which is square and has been lined with parchment paper. I know this isn't the traditional way, but this is the way that works for me, so I'm doing that. Spread and level it out as best as you possibly can. Then you can place into your preheated oven and bake it off. I will leave all the baking times and temperatures that you need in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. And seeing as this is a fruitcake, it's on a lower temperature for a longer time, so just keep that in mind. It will make your house smell amazing. But then that's it, it's really pretty much done. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.